morning. Today is Wednesday, February 25th, and you see a chart, 3-minute chart of crude oil. The E-mini S&Ps are deader than a doornail today, going sideways, so I don't see many day trading opportunities in that market. Whereas the crude oil market seems to be a little better. You had a nice run up this morning. Unfortunately, I got in a little late. Had to take my son to the doctor with my wife this morning, so I got in a little late. So I saw this run up, okay, from this low up to this high here. Let me get my little pen here and show you exactly what I'm doing. So the market ran from this low up to this high, and quite honestly, that's a pretty nice run in a relatively short period of time. So what I did was, once it started breaking up through that 200 right in here, I did buy. Now that's a little premature, no doubt, but I was willing to buy more as it dipped down on a pullback, on a retracement from the day's low to high, and bought it here. So average price is somewhere in between, about $120. We have 10 crude contracts right now, and I'm looking for the market to move up a bit more. I want to see how the market is able to retest the high of the day. Okay, if the market's unable to do that and the market comes back down through this low, heck, in fact, if the market breaks down through, I'm going to use this low as that stop placement now. Okay, now unfortunately we're getting in a little after 11 o'clock Eastern. So the market's settling down a little bit. That's what I don't like. Typically in crude, you can trade the first couple hours and then it kind of goes dead before it starts to revive itself after lunch. So I'm still optimistic that this market can move higher, try to break up to that 52.28. Again, the high of the day is 52.46. Although the high of the day was basically a shooting star, opening close near the bottom of that range. Therefore, the market started dropping and got a pullback. I mean, the actual entry into this position should have been on this pullback, not anticipating the market continue moving from here, even though at this point the market had momentum behind it. Okay, again, it had some momentum, and I thought it would push higher. I was going to take some profits on about a 20 tick trade. Then I was going to look to buy on a pullback. So it did not continue moving. Instead, it moved lower, so we averaged in there. And let's just see what happened. All right, I just took off half the position, as you can see here. Right, from this entry to here, I took off half the position. Okay, now on the total position, I closed out 580 in losses, but open profit is 960, cumulative profit's 430. Okay, so I could take this trade off now and come away about $480, $530. Okay, look at this. Now we're starting to retest this high. Let's do something here and take off 3 more at the market. Okay, sell 3. There we go. There we go. It just locked in 296. We've got 2 left. All right. Yeah, there we go. Got 2 left. Look at that. We've done a perfect. Ooh, what happened here? We've actually done a perfect retest of the high of the day, just as expected. Look at that. See that? Look at that. Retested the high. That's exactly what I was anticipating when I put this trade on. So let's just go ahead and take it off now. Be done with it. It's before noon. Sell 2 at the market. There we go. So what do we do in this trade? What do we net out of this trade? As you can see on the order matrix here, we're flat, right? There's no more positions, or no more positions right here. And we closed out $820 in profits. Okay, so again, a good lesson is, hey, if your main market, if you're day trading, if your main market that you specifically trade does not set up and it's deader than a doornail, not doing anything, just like the E-minis are. The E-minis are doing absolutely nothing. So let me just take you to that chart real quick, okay? This is the daily. This is a 3-minute on what's happened today so far. Okay, look at this. Open there. Opened on this bar right here. This is the low, and look at this. It's dead. Why would you be trading something like this? It's useless, right? So there are times where I do put positions on in the S&Ps that are a bigger position in terms of I keep it overnight. And as you can see, the current position I'm currently in is up, what, 23.17, as you can see, the cumulative profit, open profit, 23.17 on three contracts. So I'm not even touching this today unless the market breaks down, and I'd be exiting this, okay? So again, let's go back to crude oil just real quick and just recap this real quick. Let's spread this out so you can see what's going on. Again, a good lesson is if you day trade, okay? Not everybody day trades, but most people work, right? And that's fine. So, but if you're a day trader in the main market or the markets that you specialize in don't set up, then look for something else using the same principles. And so when I came in and I saw that the E-mini futures, E-mini S&P 500 futures weren't setting up, then I looked at crude. So again, I switched to the crude oil, and that provided $820 in profits before 11:30. As you can see, this market's continuing to move higher. So look, at my first entry wasn't the best, and that's partly why I got out where I did here. If my first and initial entry was here, I'd still be long this trade, making more money. But again, when I saw this burst, this is a momentum thrust to the upside. I did think this would continue at least 20 ticks or so on the crude. But it stopped dead in its tracks, came down to a logical retracement line, bought it, anticipating that retest. And we got that retest, just like I stated earlier in the video when the market was sitting right in here. That's what I was expecting. So hopefully you can learn a little something from this. Have a great day, and let's see if we can make more money today. Have a good one. Bye for now.